have good light, good filtration system also, and CO2, then why algae? Algae bloom means something not right. Today's video is one of the most common reason why most of the aquascaping hobbyists quit this lovely hobby of planted aquarium. This is O'Neill's Aquascaping. Keep watching. So guys, this is my aquarium algae guide where I'll be discussing different kind of algae, causes for it, and how do you fix them. And one thing before we get started, I'd like to emphasize, never try to fight with algae, rather try to find the cause of it and try to eliminate that. Not a problem. This video is gonna answer all algae related issues and queries. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. As in my aquarium algae guide, I'm gonna be doing a series of videos where I'll be choosing a different kind of algae, discuss the causes for it, and how do you fix them, which we all aquarium hobbyists see it some or the other day. If you want me to do any specific type of algae in my next series of video, please write it down in the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button if you find my video till the end informative and helpful. Keep watching. So let's get started with green dust algae today. Green dust algae mostly visible in the tank at the time of the initial setup of an aquascape. This is because of the nutrients that have not been balanced in the aquarium. And guys, believe me, it's one of the easiest algae to deal with, I'd say. I'd show you an instant fix that I actually did since I was on vacation for a week. Believe me guys, this is what we don't need to do. We need to find the cause rather than fighting back. So here are the causes for it. Major reason is any radical changes to your aquascape ecosystem. Second is imbalance in nutrients. And third, large nitrogen peaks, having too much of fishes or I'd say livestock in your aquarium. And guys, always remember, as they say, prevention is better than cure. So make a note of these causes. Now some of you might really be facing a green dust algae bloom in your tank right now. So there's got to be a cure for it too. So you have a problem with green dust algae, you should try sitting it out. Best way is do not remove the algae layers, but wait at least 3 to 4 weeks without touching it. As a rule, the life cycle of these algae is over then. It will die off and the algae eaters in the tank will do the rest of the job. And guys, if you haven't seen my video on aquarium algae eaters, the link you can find it right here. One way you can treat is you can lower the water level in your tank as far as possible after the life cycle of the algae has ended, and then wipe the remains of the algae off the glass. Do not remove the coat during the waiting period to 3 to 4 weeks, as the algae will release spores which start a new life cycle as soon as they settle. Way which I would say is a quick fix, and always use it as a last resort, as I will not recommend using non-organics to fight algae as a regular practice. Lower the water level and wipe it off with a cloth dipped in CKM Flourish XL. I have actually heard hydrogen peroxide also does wonders. I'm really not sure about it though, as I haven't tried it yet. So guys, that's it for today. I'll be coming with a series of different algae and fixes for it. I'm sure we all deal with it someday or the other. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now and hit the bell icon to receive notification. Till then, stay safe and keep aquascaping. Bye bye.